Unwin Quattro retractable wheelchair tie-downs can be used to secure the front or the rear of a wheelchair. It is available in plastic and metal cover with a choice of either carabiner, hook or tongue and buckle end fittings to fit any wheelchair model. Ensure that a front tie-down has been fitted before fitting Quattro at the rear of the wheelchair. When used as rear tie-downs, place the pair of Quattro with the hooks facing outward like so. To fit Quattro into the rail, press down on the ribbed part of the ATF and push firmly towards the wheelchair until the yellow clip drops and locks into place. Press the yellow release button and fasten the hook to the wheelchair frame. Press the yellow release button to take up the webbing slack and turn the tensioning handles towards the wheelchair until the webbing is taut. Install the second Quattro unit, ensuring that the position of this is parallel with the first, and repeat the procedure. Turn the tensioning handles until the webbing is equally taut on each Quattro unit. The webbing should create an angle of around 30 to 45 degrees and should be in line with the rear of the frame to hold the wheelchair correctly and securely. An occupant restraint must now be fitted. See relevant video. To remove the retractable wheelchair tie-down, press the yellow release button, unfasten the hook from the wheelchair frame and guide the webbing into the Quattro cover reel. Lift the yellow plunger to remove the tie-down from the rail. Repeat with other side and store safely.